Can you
I
listen to
can't
me?
see his.
Okay. So, okay. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
So, this message, first of all, I say you, if you cannot edit this function, if you cannot edit this function,
I can. It's
I have one
complicated.
method.
That's all.
We are already created these two pages.
Wait, sorry.
Just restore these two pages and link these two button. When click this button, then showing this.
So sorry. What was the descriptions?
Can I do it? Just give you this piece, this design.
Yeah.
Or if you want to keep this design, I will show you how to edit it. Or if you want keep this design, I will show you how to edit it. I have one method. Please follow. We are going to this two page. I restored this page, for example.
Oh, it's. I mean, it's okay. I like the
Publish.
the tapping buttons on the. I know how to edit it.
Just seeing you how to edit it. Just edit this page, then copy all content and paste this page tab.
Yeah.
Then copy all, paste this design. Just edit this content. Edit this all content. Then you copy.
This is how it was before, and that was this is easy to edit. This is how it was before.
Yes. You edit all content. This step, this Elementor dashboard. Then you publish and preview. You just copy all content copy. Then go to and then click pencil icon and this here full screen. Click here. Then select all or delete any section. Then paste. Then come all design here, though you edit and replace new content. Can you understand? Are you want keep this design?
Yeah.
Okay. Just you edit this page. And then
Okay. It's fine.
this page and this page. Edit, then copy all content and then come to here and then copy all text or delete, then paste here. Then we are going to form. Tell me something.
Yeah.
I cannot properly understand. You tell me before.
The format is fine.
Okay. When a visitor comes and submit their information, all the information should go to the email though you provide me.
That's the form. Yeah, that's fine.
You find visitor all
Yes.
information. You find visitor all information in your provided email inbox.
And should go to the email that I provide you, and to the email of the person, into the email of the person here.
Okay. Thank you so much. Give me enough time. We are end screen sharing.
Bye. Okay, thanks.